Hey viewers, today we are going to talk about Minorities Right Day in India. First, we need to understand what is minority. So, like if we take the example of India, so Hindus are in majority and other communities like Muslims, Sikhs, Christian, Buddhist, Jains, and Parsis, they are in minority. So, this is the difference between majority and minority. But we are going to understand Minorities Right Day in India. So it is observed annually on 18th December to highlight the importance of minorities' rights and protect their cultural heritage and promote socio-economic and cultural development. But we need to understand what's its objectives. So its objectives like first one is awareness, promote the awareness about their rights, their cultural rights, educational rights, and other freedom. And second one is equality, promote equality amongst minorities. So in, whether it could be in jobs, they should be included in jobs, or they should have opportunities in jobs and other sectors like of employment or in education. So they should be given proper opportunities. And third one is inclusion. Inclusion means the same thing, you could say that they should be given opportunities in jobs, employment, and or in educational institution. Equalities means no discrimination. There is no discrimination for minorities. Everyone is equal in the eyes of the law, or they are equal before the law. And fourth one is like cultural preservation. Their heritage, cultural and other cul- cultural cultural things should be like safeguarded. And so these are all four objectives of like minorities day in India. So we have objectives like awareness, equality, inclusion, culture preservation, and other things like they have been given proper fundamental rights, or they have many like we have many articles for their safety, cultural, and for their upliftment and other facilities they should be given. But the question is how it is just started. So it is just started when the United Nations adopted the national ethnic or cultural, religious, and linguistic minorities act minorities on the 1992, uh, on 18th December. So in short, I want to say that United Nations adopted the Declaration on the Rights of Person belonging to ethnic or national, religious, and linguistic minorities on 18th December 1992. So, and this day, so from that day, India also observed this, and it just included in the we have like a National Commission for Minorities set up in 1992 under the National Commission for Minorities Act of 1992. So it was just started from there. So and we have like many articles for their upliftment, safeguard, and their protection of and other things. So like we have articles like article 29 and 30, like promotes cultural and educational rights, and Article 15 and 16, like promotion of, you could say that, what we could say that, let me tell you. Article 15 and 16 just tells about their, an equal opportunities and prohibition of discrimination and provision for equal opportunities. And Article 25 to 28, freedom of religion. So they have all these facilities. The minorities in India, we recognize like six minorities: Muslims, Sikhs, Christians, Jains, Buddhists, and Parsis. So they are considered as minority. So it serves as, like it is a collective responsibility to uphold these constitutional values and foster an inclusion of society. So in short, we could say that we have many bodies, and even constitution also says, like we have National Commission for Minorities. So they are all working for the upliftment, for safeguarding their cultural and protecting their other rights which is enshrined in the Constitution of India. So it is the duty of the National Commission for Minorities Act to see all the activities like listening their complaints and other problems that they are facing. If any such things happen, they should be given a proper chance to speak. And there, every, like I have told you now about every rights what I've just mentioned, it should be safeguarded and protected against any harmful activities which just violates these laws. So annually, 18th December, we celebrate or we observe this as Minorities Rights Day in India. On 18th December, annually we observe, like we had, it 18th December. So this is the thing that you have to know. I think I have, discussed it in short, but enough to understand what's the really this Minorities Right Day in India. I think there is no need to summarizing or summing up. So, but let's summing up. Okay, so like we have, I've told you, so there is no need to go into details. So I hope that you will love this video, and I appreciate that you're watching, and I'll see you in the next video.